Here are 10 mistakes that are holding you back from growing your YouTube channel. If you are a small YouTuber and you hear crickets when you upload a video, that means you are uploading wrong and making these common mistakes. So keep on watching because we are about to dive into how to avoid making these mistakes and growing your YouTube channel. Welcome back, Bookie Bestie. So after this video, we are about to see tremendous views and results in our videos. So with that being said, are you ready? Let's get started. So first and foremost, the first mistake that you will make will be uploading through the YouTube app. This is very crucial, very critical, because I tried it and I tried to see what was the difference. With that being said, y'all, when I uploaded through the YouTube app, you do not get a chance to put your tags, to put your location, to put very descriptive things in your description box. You don't get to get the option to do the 3 different thumbnails when it comes to your video for YouTube to optimize and see which one is generating and which one the viewers like the best and place it on your video. You're not getting a chance to put keywords in places that needs to be so the video can be pushed out by uploading through the YouTube app. And when I honestly say I dived into looking at what was the difference, you're not able to see the file name and your title and the file name for the thumbnail on your video when you upload it through the YouTube app. So y'all keep in mind, using the YouTube app to upload your videos, nope, it's a no-go. Don't do it anymore. I promise you, I tried it. I seen the difference, and it flops your videos every time. Some might get skyrocketed, but foremost, y'all, upload through the YouTube dashboard. Upload through the YouTube dashboard. That is the first mistake as small YouTubers, which is me, myself. I have been doing it, and I had to stop because I honestly start seeing a difference in my numbers and my growth in my subscribers once I start using the YouTube dashboard to upload my videos. Period, Bookies. And I have a video right here that shows you what to do and how to upload your video through the YouTube app. Through the YouTube dashboard, period. Next is choosing unlisted when you upload your videos. Choosing unlisted, y'all, is not getting your videos to the people that wants to see your videos or who the people needs to get them videos to. You get what I'm saying? We need to stop choosing unlisted because unlisted is only for people that has that link. You send people that link, that's who's going to watch that video. It's not going to the public. It's not going anywhere. Stop doing your videos on unlisted. It's not giving YouTube time to analyze your videos. You need to schedule your videos in order to get your videos shown and pushed to the right people. That's another mistake we are using, you guys. I ain't never heard about the unlisted part. Why would you post unlisted? That don't even make sense. Keep that in mind, y'all. Don't post unlisted. That was new for me. So number 3 is publishing your videos right off without giving YouTube a chance to optimize your videos and analyze it and see who they're supposed to be placing it in front of. If you go and push public and then push upload, it's going straight out. You get what I'm saying? Before you was able to put your tags, before you was able to put your description, before you was able to do anything, you uploaded and published that video before that video was able to even be analyzed, optimized, and in place for the viewers of who it was pertaining to. So now it's all over the place. Now it's going here, here, and here. You get what I'm saying, y'all? We have to be mindful of the things that we need to do before we do them. So using publish right off is a no-go. Do not publish your videos right off after you get done editing them and coming out of the CapCut app, editing app, or wherever you edit your videos. Do not hit public right off. Give YouTube time, at least 24 hours to analyze that video so we can get it in front of the viewers of who it needs to be pertaining to. You got what I'm saying, Bookies? Another way that mistakes are being made on your video is not naming your video file before you upload it to YouTube, which I just said at the beginning of this video. You have to name your video file on your video before you upload it to YouTube. If you upload it to YouTube using your dashboard, using the YouTube app, your file name would not be uploaded to YouTube. It would not. You have to use the dashboard in order to get that file name onto that video so it can be ranked high so YouTube can know where that video is going. Yes, y'all. So YouTube can know where that video is going. A file name is key. And I just found that out. A file name is key. The file name is just like the title of the video. That's just another way to rank high in the YouTube search and giving YouTube another way of letting them know what that video is about and who we're putting place it in front of and who is about to see it so we can get that click rate through. You hear you? So with that being said, the next one, y'all, is changing that thumbnail. Changing your thumbnail to match that file name, to match that title, and to match that description box. That is all ways that you could put your title. You get what I'm saying? The file name is your title name. Your title is your title name. And your description box is the first sentence of your title name. Getting ready to let them know what the video is about with keywords throughout that description box, y'all. That is another way we are doing and getting our videos wrong and not being able to push them to the people that we need to get them pushed to, because we're making the mistake of not changing our thumbnail file name to our video. That is key, y'all. We need to change the thumbnail file name just as well as the file name to the video to match the title of the video. So once you have those three components, it's another way to cycle YouTube to let them know this video needs to be pushed. It needs to go. You get what I'm saying? Your file name on your thumbnail, your file name on your video, uploading through the YouTube app dashboard, and not hitting unlisted or publishing right before you put that video out. That is 5 so far. Another one that we are not doing is adding chapters to our video. We're not adding chapters to our video. And what chapters are is little indentions in our video letting people know this is the intro. This is talking about engagement. This is talking about how to grow your subscribers. This one is talking about how to level up and everything. You get what I'm saying? It's giving you categories. It's basically what it is. You are letting your viewers know this is what I'm talking about in this order. You get what I'm saying? And if they want to pertain to a specific thing, they get to skip in your video without it harming you in your watch hours. You get what I'm saying? They can skip in your video and get to where they were trying to get to in your video instead of having to watch it from beginning to the end and not being interested in it. That is another way to get your videos pushed and not buried under other people. You get what I'm saying, y'all? So make sure y'all are being mindful when you are using chapters, because chapters are very relevant when it comes to your video to help YouTube know, and very, very relevant for keywords to be placed in your video. Another way for keywords to be placed in your video for YouTube to be ranked and search for your video to be ranked and for your video to get out to the viewers that it needs to be out to. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm tongue-tied. All right, y'all. So the next one is choosing kids as the preference of what our video is pertaining to. We are not made for kids, okay? Stop choosing made for kids when it pertains to this video when you're going to upload it, because you're not going to be able to get comments on it. You're not going to be able to get a like on it, because they don't put certain videos in front of kids because they feel like cussing and profane and other things should not be in the kids' viewer eyes. You get what I'm saying? Kids content should be in kids content. You feel what I'm saying? So yes, be mindful and stop pushing made for kids on your video before you upload it, bookies. Because we need them comments. We need that engagement. We need that push. And them engagement and them comments is what pushes our videos even further, right along with them keywords. You hear you? Another way to get them, another thing that we are doing that we need to stop doing and we need to start doing is pin comments in our video. Pin them comments, y'all. That is another way for you to put your video out there. Let them know what the video is about. You can add your playlist to your comments. You can put your video title name at the first sentence of your comment and put a playlist right up under it and pin it. Pin it. Make sure you have pinned comments on your videos, because that is another way to help rank in the YouTube algorithm, another way to help YouTube push your video, and it's also another way to engage with your subscribers and get them to drop in the comments and push your video even more, y'all. That's what we're here for. These are the mistakes we're making. I see so many people that does not write back to their viewers, their subscribers, and I don't understand why, because y'all ain't perfect. Y'all ain't bougie. Okay, boogies, you need to engage with your people. You need to comment back. Start a conversation. See how they like doing. You get what I'm saying? Make comments to make them engage in your comment section so YouTube can push them videos out to other people. Not just them same people over and over and over. We need thousands of views, not hundreds of views. Period, bookies. And the last and foremost thing that we need to start doing, y'all, that we have not been doing, that has been killing our channel, is what I just mentioned in the last comment. Playlist. Add your playlist to your description and also to your comments. That is how we're going to get our videos shown more to other viewers and more to subscribers that are subscribed to us, that don't know we are dropping these videos every day. You get what I'm saying, y'all? We need to push these videos. We need to make sure we are using and analyzing and taking advantage of this playlist. Y'all don't know how much a playlist can do for you. Playlist takes you far because it lets people know that you have more videos in that category. So when they click on one of the videos at the top of your video or your end screen and you have your playlist on your end screen, it's going to bring up your whole list of all your videos that you just dropped in the past that they never even knew that you even had, bookies, because they didn't even want to take the time to go to your page. So that's stopping them from even having to go by them clicking on that video, by going to the comments and clicking on that playlist. It takes them straight to the video. putting that playlist in your description box, that helps YouTube place your videos on the side of your next video that's about to pop up, instead of having other people pop up on the side of your video. Clock T, y'all. If that wasn't clock, I don't know what is. Stop making these 10 mistakes so we can start getting these videos pushed out and get more views and more subscribers and more engagement. I will see y'all in the next video.